Want to build your dream online learning platform? Look no further. Tutor LMS is the ultimate WordPress solution for creating, managing, and scaling your e-learning business. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to upgrade, Tutor LMS has everything you need to set up a powerful platform and grow your audience. Let's explore how you can use this game-changing tool to elevate your e-learning strategy. WordPress powers over 40% of the web, offering unmatched flexibility, customization, and control for small businesses. For e-learning, these attributes are invaluable. Pair WordPress with a cutting-edge LMS like Tutor LMS, and you'll enjoy a full ownership of your learning platform. Point 2. Limitless course customization options. Point 3. Seamless third-party integrations without recurring software fees. For small businesses, the scalability and cost-effectiveness of this combination make it the ideal solution when compared to expensive, standalone platforms. Tutor LMS is designed to simplify online education while packing your platform with premium features. Picture this: a user-friendly course dashboard, advanced tools for engagement, and monetization seamlessly built into one system. Here's what you get with Tutor LMS. Point 1. Intuitive drag-and-drop course creation. Point 2. Engaging elements like quizzes, assignments, and Q&A. Point 3. Features like drip content and automated certification. Point 4. Comprehensive WooCommerce and easy digital downloads integration. 5. A sleek, student-friendly interface that's easy for users to navigate. Small businesses can now create professional-looking courses without hiring costly designers or developers, ensuring both you and your learners have a top-notch experience. With numerous LMS plugins available, finding the right fit can be overwhelming. Tutor LMS, however, distances itself from competitors in several ways. 1. A robust free version with essential features for small businesses. Point 2. A simple drag-and-drop interface perfect for non-technical users. Point 3. Unique engagement tools like student Q&A features and assignments. Point 4. Built-in monetization tools, eliminating the need for extra plugin purchases. Point 5. Regular updates powered by stellar customer support. Getting started with Tutor LMS is straightforward. You don't need to be an expert in tech to set it up. Follow these simple steps. 1. Install, download Tutor LMS from the WordPress plugin repository. 2. Activate and configure, set up payment gateways, enable branding options, and select a compatible theme. 3. Add your first course, leverage the drag-and-drop editor to create video lessons, assignments, and quizzes that reflect your unique expertise. In under an hour, you can set up an LMS that looks professional and fully customized. Creating a standout LMS experience is simple with Tutor LMS's suite of tools. 1. Structure your content, organize lessons and modules for smooth navigation. 2. Incorporate interactive elements, add videos, presentations, and downloadable resources to engage learners. 3. Build community engagement, enable forums and feedback tools to create an interactive environment. Small businesses can take control of their learning platforms, adapting the design to fit their teaching styles and attract niche audiences. Save time and reduce manual administrative tasks with tools like the Tutor LMS Course Importer and Quiz Importer, developed by WP Plugins for you. These tools allow you to open file folder bulk import entire courses in just a few clicks. 1. Upload quizzes filled with formatted questions instantly. 2. Shift your focus from routine tasks to improving content quality. The work doesn't end with building your LMS. Marketing it effectively is crucial for success. Small businesses should adopt these strategies. Loudspeaker strong branding. Create a cohesive brand identity that demonstrates expertise in your field. Mobile phone with active social media usage. Connect with learners through platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Magnifying glass tilted left search engine optimization. SEO optimize your website and content with strategic keywords for better search rankings. Using these techniques can help attract a steady stream of learners, increasing both your reach and profitability over time. A thriving LMS isn't just about having quality courses, it's about growth. Focus on ongoing scalability through these steps. Chart increasing, analyze data, use learner analytics to continually refine and optimize your courses. Moneybag, monetize wisely, offer diverse pricing models such as memberships, pay-per-course, or bundled pricing options. Globe, showing Europe, Africa, go global, expand into new markets by creating multi-language courses or leveraging global platforms for collaboration. Small businesses have the opportunity to grow steadily, turning their LMS into a robust revenue-generating system while maintaining engagement with their audience. Whether you're training employees, sharing skills, or offering courses to a worldwide audience, Tutor LMS is the ultimate tool to achieve your goals. Its affordability, customization options, and ease of use make it unparalleled for small businesses seeking to dominate the e-learning landscape. What are you waiting for? Start building your dream LMS today with Tutor LMS. It's fast, flexible, and built to grow with your business. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments. Let's grow together.